Hi everyone and welcome to another video. My name's Emma and we are the Marsden squad. Today we took a wander around Unity Woods, which is near Chacewater, a woods with beautiful bluebells and biking trails as well as scattered engine houses and mine shafts. We then headed over to Scorrier Woods, which is on the outskirts of Redruth. This again is well known as a biking area with the most enormous trees I've ever seen. It's a smaller wooded area but great for a quick wander or dog walk. As always, all the details of these places will be in the comments down below. Let's go explore.